Welcome to the Quick Start Guide for the LINKHUB Mesh Wi-Fi system. What you'll need to get started: modem and router, combined unit or separate units, internet service, smartphone with Google or iOS account, TCL Wi-Fi app, LINKHUB Mesh Wi-Fi system. Step 1. Connect the primary node. No matter if you purchase the LINKHUB Mesh Wi-Fi 1, 2, or 3-pack system, any node can be the primary node. Pick one and then follow these steps. Using the Ethernet cable included, plug one end into the Wide Area Network or WAN port on the bottom of the primary node. Connect the other end to an open Ethernet port on your Wi-Fi router or modem router combo unit. Next, locate the power adapter included and plug the DC power end into the bottom of the primary node, and the other end into a nearby outlet. Wait about 40 seconds once plugged in to a power source. Before placing the primary node in a stable position on a nearby table or shelf, note where the SSID and password are printed on the bottom of the node. You will need this in Step 2. When the LED indicator on the node blinks green, the startup is complete. Step 2. Connect the primary node to the internet. Using your smartphone, open the Google Play Store application from your Android device or the App Store on your iOS device. Type TCL Wi-Fi in the subject field. You will see the application appear on the list. Install this application. Then, from your smartphone settings, open the Wi-Fi network list. Select the SSID of the primary node you connected in steps 1 through 5. Enter its password and click Connect. Once again, the SSID and password are printed on the bottom of the node. Now, return to the TCL Wi-Fi app and follow the on-screen instructions, which will include linking the TCL Wi-Fi app with the primary node and then creating a unique Wi-Fi network name and password of your choice. Now, if you purchase the LINKHUB Mesh Wi-Fi System 1-pack, you are free to start connecting your wireless devices to the Mesh Wi-Fi network and surfing the web. If you purchase the 2 or 3-pack, proceed to Step 3 to continue setting up the additional nodes. Step 3. Connect the secondary nodes. Place each additional node in a high open area, free from interference, and keep them within 2 rooms of each other. Then, use another supplied power adapter to connect a secondary node. Wait 40 seconds for the LED to start blinking green. While standing next to the secondary node, use your smartphone again to open the TCL Wi-Fi app and select the Settings tab on the lower part of the screen. From the list of options, select Add Mesh Point and click Next twice. Then click Allow on the pop-up notification and you will see the QR code scanner appear on your screen. Turn the secondary node over and point your smartphone camera at the SSID QR code on the bottom so the scanner can capture it. Wait for a moment as the secondary node connects. Then you'll see a notification appear that reads Added. Add another device? Go ahead and select OK. Please note, if a mesh point LED indicator shows a solid yellow or solid red light, try relocating the unit for a better connection. Finally, if you have a third node, you will simply follow those same steps again, only for the remaining node. That's it! Your LINKHUB Mesh Wi-Fi system is now set up. Start connecting your wireless devices to the Mesh Wi-Fi network and you are ready to go. Enjoy fast, reliable internet as it was intended.